We'll guide you through how to make a channel in Telegram. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Channels are super useful as you can go and broadcast messages to the members in the channel. Let's get started. You can follow this on an iPhone or an Android. First of all, come to the chats page and you can go and tap on the create button in the top right on an iPhone. On an Android, it's the bottom right. On the new message page, you can select new channel. As you can see, here we are. We can go and click on create channel. You can go and give it a name. I'll go and name this GuideRealm like so. Add a description and you can add an icon over to the left. When you're ready, you can tap next in the top right. Now we can go and choose the channel type. Either it can be public, and this means it can be found in the search and anyone can join it, or it can be private, and this means it can only be joined via the invite link. Make your decision. If it's public, you can come up with a link. If it's private, you'll go and get given one. In this case, I'll keep it private. I'll go and tap on share link and I can go and copy it. You can choose if you want to restrict certain content at the bottom. I'll leave that off and then press next in the top right. You could then choose if you want to go and add any contacts, and then you can press next in the top right, and that's it. We've now gone and created the channel.